Fast-paced, energetic music and graphics with top 10 AI video editing tools make editing 10 times faster. What's up, video creators? Welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of spending hours upon hours editing videos? Wish you could speed up your workflow and get more content out faster? Well, today you're in luck because I'm about to show you the top 10 AI video editing tools that will absolutely transform your editing game. I'm your channel name, and let's dive in. Let's be real. Video editing can be a serious time suck. It's tedious, it's complicated, and it often feels like you're spending way more time editing than you are actually creating. But what if I told you there was a better way? The good news is that AI has arrived to save the day, and we've got a list of the top tools that are making video editing faster, easier, and more accessible than ever before. So let's get to it. Let's kick things off with a true pioneer in the field, Runway ML. Runway ML is like a playground for generative AI. This isn't just about simple tweaks. We are talking about completely generating new video content from text or images. It's a platform where you can truly push the boundaries of video creation with AI. If you are someone who likes to experiment with different styles and looks, then you will love Runway ML. Next up, we have Descript, a tool that completely changed how I approach video and audio editing. Descript lets you edit your video and audio by editing the transcript. It's like editing a Word document instead of using clunky timelines. This is incredible for dialogue-heavy content like podcasts and interviews. If you deal with speech in your videos, you need to try this. Now, if you're looking to create videos with AI avatars, then Synthesia is the leader in that space. Synthesia is ideal for training videos, explainer videos, and marketing content. You can easily generate professional-looking videos with virtual presenters that you can control, and the production is incredibly fast. Moving on, we have InVideo, a comprehensive platform that's bringing the power of AI to everyone. InVideo offers a wide range of features, including automated editing, tons of pre-made templates, and the ability to generate videos from text. It's a versatile option for all sorts of video creation needs, and the output is surprisingly professional. For those of you who are trying to maximize reach on social media, then you need to check out Pictory AI. Pictory AI excels at repurposing long videos into short, engaging clips for platforms like YouTube Shorts and TikTok. It's a huge time saver for marketers and creators who are trying to get maximum views across multiple platforms. Now, let's dive into the professional editing space, starting with Adobe Premiere Pro. As an industry standard, Premiere Pro has been steadily integrating AI features like scene edit detection and auto reframe that streamline your workflows and enhance efficiency. These tools are helping to make complex tasks just that little bit easier. Let's not forget about Vinci Resolve, another powerhouse in professional video editing. And Vinci Resolve offers some really powerful AI tools for colorists and VFX artists. Features like facial recognition, super scaling, and noise reduction are incredibly impressive, and they all run thanks to the power of AI. If your focus is on repurposing content specifically for short-form platforms like TikTok and YouTube Shorts, then check out Opus Clip. Opus Clip uses AI to identify the most engaging moments in your videos and automatically creates shareable snippets. It's designed to identify the key moments of your videos and allows you to post to platforms like TikTok and YouTube Shorts incredibly fast. If your focus is on improving the quality of older or lower resolution footage, then you absolutely need to check out Topaz Video Enhance AI. This tool uses AI to upscale your video resolution, reduce noise, and improve overall clarity. It's an incredible option if you have low quality footage that you need to clean up using the power of AI. And finally, we have Fleeky, a super versatile tool that turns written content into videos. Fleeky can create videos from scripts, blog posts, or even tweets. It offers a range of AI voices and visuals, making it incredibly easy to produce engaging content for pretty much any purpose. This is a versatile option for a lot of people. Okay, video creators, there you have it. Like, toss your 10 incredible AI tools that are ready to take your video editing to the next level. From generative AI to text-based editing and tools for cleaning up older footage, AI is changing the editing game, and these tools are a must for any modern video creator. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming tech reviews. Let me know in the comments which AI tool you're most excited to try. As always, stay creative, stay techie, and I'll see you in the next one.